We've faced these challenges before, and we're going to need to recognize that we have to face them again.
Sweeping new public health orders are set to go in place in Manitoba on Wednesday as the impacts of the third wave continue to land. This graph displayed at Monday's press conference telling Manitoba's COVID story.
Right now, we're essentially where we're at the end of October, right before we saw that dramatic increase in cases.
And the effects on the health system mounting.
The average age of COVID-19 cases in our ICUs is at 56. And so that's significantly younger than it was last fall. Cases are increasing in most age groups, but are rapidly advancing in those in their 20s and 30s. Since last Friday, we've announced more than 700 cases. Hospitalizations from last week are up 56%.
This means additional public health measures Wednesday slated to run through May 26th. No visitors to private residences, indoor and outdoor, with certain exceptions for things like childcare or home care. Those who live alone can have one defined visitor. No indoor gatherings permitted. Outdoor capped at 10 in public spaces only.
So we certainly see a lot of transmission in household gatherings and a lot of transmission in gatherings that are not consistent with the orders. So that was a major concern with us.
Other changes on the way. We'll see faith-based gatherings reduced to 25% or a max of 10 people with masks at all times. Patio dining capped at 4 people. Food courts and malls and shopping centers are to close. Gyms and fitness centers will remain at 25% capacity with 3 meters of physical distancing now required. Spectators to outdoor sports and recreation limited to 1 parent or caregiver, while dance, theater, and music remains at 25% capacity up to a max of 10. Again, 1 parent or caregiver per participant. And personal services will see their capacity at 50% with appointments only. Day camps limited to 10 kids at a time, indoor or outdoor, while retail at 25% capacity up to a max of 250. All malls at 25% as of Wednesday.
We're going to have a few tough weeks ahead of us. Expect these numbers to rise most certainly over the next few weeks. And realize that we can begin now, because the consequences of following the health orders will be positive, to bend the COVID curve for the weeks thereafter.
While things may look dark, the vaccination campaign is increasingly picking up speed, and this does have Dr. Roussin hoping perhaps if Manitobans bend this curve, this could be the last time the province takes a step back.
In these 4 weeks, we can vaccinate another 300,000 Manitobans. So if we all do our part, this very well could be our last strict orders.
In Winnipeg, Jonas Gilbert, City News.